Best luxury Amazon smart home gadgets. Welcome to a showcase of premium home innovations where I explore high-end selections designed to elevate daily living. I'm excited to share a curated list of top-tier gadgets that bring professional-grade performance and uncompromising luxury right into your living space.
Product number 1. XSGTZ MJ Foldable Wall Hooks. When optimizing a refined living space, every detail matters, including how garments and accessories are displayed. These foldable wall hooks provide a sleek, minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing industrial-strength utility. Crafted from premium rust-proof zinc alloy, they deliver professional-grade durability, capable of holding substantial weight with ease. The magnetic lock mechanism ensures the hooks remain completely flush against the wall when not in use, maintaining a clean, high-end profile in your entryway, bathroom, or kitchen. Unlike standard utility hooks that clutter your visual space, this hardware integrates seamlessly into sophisticated interiors. The gold finish adds a touch of subtle opulence, proving that even the most functional items can be treated as luxury fixtures.
Product number 2. Samsung 32-inch Smart Monitor M8, M8F. Transitioning to the realm of high-end digital workspaces, this ultra-high-definition display redefines what a professional-grade monitor should offer. It is a stunning piece of hardware that effortlessly merges a premium workstation screen with a comprehensive entertainment hub. The crisp resolution ensures that every pixel is rendered with absolute precision, making it an exceptional tool for serious creative work and detailed analytical tasks. I appreciate how the integrated visual artificial intelligence automatically optimizes picture quality, delivering a viewing experience that rivals luxury home theater systems. Beyond its raw display performance, the inclusion of native smart television applications and a dedicated gaming hub means you don't even need to power on a separate computer to access top-tier media. Product number 3. Norpro 5220 Deluxe Cherry Pitter. For those who appreciate professional-grade culinary tools, this deluxe cherry pitter is a masterclass in high-end kitchen efficiency. Preparing fresh fruit for artisanal preserves, gourmet baking, or premium garnishes can often be tedious, but this device transforms the process into a seamless operation. Engineered with a robust clamp that secures firmly to countertops, it offers the steadfast stability required in a serious chef's environment. The automatic feed tray and catch hopper handle high-volume processing effortlessly, allowing for rapid throughput without the mess typically associated with hand pitting. Constructed with a heavy-duty spring and a precision-aligned plunging mechanism, it cleanly extracts pits while leaving the fruit beautifully intact. Product number 4. Koblenz CB100 Electric Wine Chiller. Elevating the experience of fine wine requires absolute control over serving conditions, and this electric wine chiller delivers exactly that. It represents a significant upgrade from traditional ice buckets, offering a professional-grade refrigeration system housed in a stunning brushed stainless steel chassis. The iceless cooling technology ensures your premium vintages remain perfectly chilled for up to 24 hours without the nuisance of dripping water or ruined labels. I love the precise touchscreen temperature controls, which allow you to dial in the exact climate required for different varietals, from crisp whites to delicate champagnes. The high-quality alloy inner barrel provides superior cold transfer, maintaining a consistent environment that preserves the complex flavor profiles of expensive bottles. Product number 5. Alessi 9093 Design Kettle. Concluding with a true icon of high-end industrial design, this stainless steel kettle is much more than a simple boiling vessel. It is a piece of functional modern art. It brings a professional-grade aesthetic and exceptional craftsmanship to the everyday ritual of making tea or coffee.
The polished stainless steel body ensures rapid, even heating, while offering a mirror-like finish that commands attention on any luxury stovetop. I'm particularly drawn to the whimsical yet sophisticated bird-shaped whistle, which provides a charming auditory cue that water has reached a rolling boil. The light blue handle and knob remain cool to the touch, ensuring safe and ergonomic pouring. This kettle perfectly balances playful elegance with...
Thank you for joining me on this exploration of premium home innovations. I hope these high-end selections inspire you to integrate professional-grade performance and luxurious design into your own living spaces. Have a wonderful day enjoying the finest upgrades for your environment.